All right, so I got a pair of scissors, and we got it all situated here. So I got a pair of scissors and a lighter to burn the end so we don't have any fraying. So here's the buckle. That end piece is gonna slide in there just like this. And then it came with these little set screws, these tiny little buggers. And so those little screws, once you have the belt secured for your size, are gonna go right in here, which is gonna secure it even more. So it's gonna give you a better grip on the belt, make sure it doesn't ever pull out. So I wear a pant size 32. So we're gonna cut this belt at, it says right here, to add at least 4 inches, same thing on the inside of the belt. So if you don't have this or you lose it or whatever before you cut it, it even says it on the inside of the belt. So add 4 inches. It says, please note, your first cut should be longer. You can always trim down further. And so that's how it is. And so you can always trim down further. Just for giggles, I would be at a 36, but you know what? I'm going to cut it at a 37. So make sure that I want it, I'm kind of finicky, so I want to be sure I'm like really squared up on this. Nice and straight. Use a good pair of scissors. You can see with this belt, I don't know if you guys can see that or not, but it's got a little core. That's what gives it its rigidness, its ability to stay straight and true. You want to be sure that that belt sits nice and flush on the back side of this buckle, the backing plate. So sit nice in there, press that down, a nice secure snap. You can see the leather belt, you know, there's no real life into them. They're real flimsy. Had this belt for a while and it's worked, but it's just never been optimal. It's never been that great, so it's just kind of loose, doesn't really help out a lot when you're carrying. So, you can also carry with the buckle in the front. If you carry appendix, which is what I do, kind of have it off on the side so it's out of the way. You don't get that more of a bulge. I'll be doing a video here shortly on my carry system. But if you're carrying at the 4 o'clock, even the 3 o'clock, the buckle in the front isn't going to matter. You're not going to really have that bulk. And so it looks like I got plenty of room for my firearm when it's in there. Got a lot of room here. So and you can hear that positive click. That's really, really nice. So you can cinch it down. You can even use this, you know, for your everyday belt. So that's pretty sweet. And that's really nice on the ability to adjust it. You just kind of reach under, grab that tab, and you can loosen it. Such as that. So I've got a lot of tag here. So I did it, remember, 1 extra inch. It says add 4 inches. That's going to give you a little bit more room. So when you get your weapon in there, wherever you're going to carry it, whether it's at the 4 o'clock, the appendix, even 3 o'clock, get that weapon in there. And then that's how I would adjust, is with the weapon in there. That way you're getting a really, really close measurement for this belt. You can see with this belt that it's got it's a lot more firm, it's a lot more rigid, stays true. Even with the buckle, it kind of loops out, and that buckle's pretty heavy. So pretty awesome. So it's going to add a lot more rigidity when you're drawing or putting your firearm away. So it's not going to allow your system to move as much. So there it is there. I will get it adjusted, and then I'll do a review later on and let you guys know how it's working so far, give you a little update. I'll probably use this belt for a couple days, couple weeks, and then we'll do a follow-up video and an update on my thoughts then. So anyway, thanks for watching, appreciate it. If you find this video helped you at all, be sure to let me know your comments, your thoughts. I would appreciate it. Hit that thumbs up button and subscribe. I would greatly appreciate it. And with that subscribe, the more we get, the more videos I can do. I'd greatly appreciate it. So thanks. Have a great day.